Hello everyone, welcome back to maths class. Today we will learn about new topic, that is give and take. Okay dear students, look at the page number 90. Dear students, one day Kinnari sells beads in the bazaar. She sells loose beads and beads necklaces of 10 beads each. Okay, one necklace have 10 beads. Then Razia wants 12 beads. So Kinnari gives her one necklace and two beads, loose beads, two loose beads. Now you find how many necklaces and loose beads the other children take. Okay. Dear students, look at this table. Children's names, beads, necklace of 10 beads and loose beads. Okay, now we will find out how many necklaces and how many loose beads. Razia purchased 12 beads, 10 beads, one necklace and two loose beads. Okay, then Rima purchased 17 beads, one 10 beads necklace and 7 loose beads. Got it? Arif purchased 24 beads, 2 necklace, 2 10 beads necklace and 4 loose beads. Okay. Then Sonu purchased total 35 beads, 3 10 beads necklace and 5 loose beads. Okay. Then Simar, he purchased 31 beads, 3 10 beads necklace and 1 loose beads. Okay. Then how many beads are taken by Razia and Rima together? Dear children, Cat counted the Razia's and Rima's beads. Okay. Razia has one necklace and 2 beads. Rima has one necklace and 7 beads. Yes, right. You can write it like this. 12 plus 17. You should be count from right side. Okay. 2 plus 7 is 9. Okay. Then 1 plus 1 is 2. Total 2 plus 7 is 9. Then 1 plus 1 is 2. First, let us take all the loose beads together and count. Yes, 9 beads. There are 9 loose beads. So I write 9 in this box. Okay. Now take all the necklaces together and count. Yes, there are 2 necklaces. So I write 2 in this box. Okay. I got it. Razia and Rima have 2 necklaces and 9 beads in all. That is right. Razia and Rima have total 29 beads in all. Let us now practice time. How many beads are taken by Razia and Sonu? Count it. Dear children, Razia has 1 necklace and 2 loose beads. Then Sonu has 3 necklaces, 5 loose beads. Now we will add Razia's beads and Sonu's beads. Okay. Razia has total 12 beads and Sonu has total 35 beads. Got it? First we will add loose beads. 2 plus 5 is 7. Then 1 plus 3 is 4. Razia and Sonu has total 47 beads are taken by Razia and Sonu. Got it? Let us now we will learn about one extra necklace. Okay. beads taken by Rima and Arif. Rima has one necklace and 7 loose beads. Okay. Then Arif has 2 necklace and 4 loose beads. Okay. Right now add them. Rima has 7 beads. Arif has 24 beads. Yes, I must first count all the loose beads together. There are 11 loose beads. What do I write in the blue box? Think. 10 loose beads make one necklace, right? So, add one more to the necklaces. So, I write a small one to remember one extra necklace. Look at the page number 93. Okay, now how many beads will there be? I write 1 in the bead box. Good. Now count all the necklaces. I write 4 in the necklace box. Rima and Arif have 4 necklaces and 1 bead in all. Yes. Rima and Arif have 41 beads in all. Then Ant says, I can do it very fast in another way. Simple. If Arif gives 3 to Rima, Rima will have 20. Arif will have 21. So 20 plus 21 is equals to 41. Can you do it some other way? Yes. Dear children, remaining problem you will take as a homework. Let us now how many more beads? Dear children, look at the problem A. Sonu has 3 necklace and 5 loose beads. Arif has 2 necklace and 4 loose beads. Then who has more beads? Now we will find out. Okay. Dear children, what we can do here? Think. Yes, subtraction. Okay. First we will subtract loose beads. Okay. 5 minus 4 is 1. Then necklace. 3 minus 2 is equals to 1. Sonu has 11 more beads than Arif. Got it? Then problem B. Arif has 2 necklace, 4 loose beads. Then Razia has 1 necklace, 2 loose beads. Okay, now we will do subtraction. Who has more beads? Okay, 4 minus 2 is 2. Then 2 minus 1 is 1. Got it? So, Arif has 12 more beads than Razia. Got it? Let us now problem C. How many more beads does Simar have than Rima? Okay. Simar has 3 necklace and 1 loose bead. Then Rima has 1 necklace and 7 loose beads. Okay. Then how will you take away 7 beads from 1 bead? Simar has 31 beads. Rima has 17. Open 1 necklace of Simar. So Simar will have 2 necklaces and 11 beads. To remember, I will cross 3 and write a small 2 in the necklace box. Also write a small 1 in the bead box to remember there are 11 beads. Now it is easy. You can take away 7 beads from 11. Yes, I have written 4 in the bead box. That was quick. Now take away 1 necklace from 2 necklaces. I have written 1 in the necklace box. Simar has 1 necklace and 4 beads more than Rima. Ha! Simar has 14 beads more than Rima. I got the answer. Dear students, remaining problems you will take as a homework. Dear children, let us now Venkatesha's canteen. You can help Venkateshas to make the bills. Do as a homework, okay? Let us now, it's time to buy. Look at this conversation. Oh, you again more homework? No, this time I have to buy 8 pencils and 5 erasers. Sure, the pencil cost 16 rupees, the erasers cost 15 rupees. 16 rupees means 1 10 rupee note and 6 1 rupee coins. So, I can write it like this. 16 plus 15. I put the coins together. There are 11 coins. That becomes 10 and note and coin. Very good. Now you can see there are 3 notes in all. Yes, 3 notes and 1 coin. I have to pay 31 rupees, but I have rupees 40. So, find out how much money you get back. 40 minus 31. Here we have above 0 is there. 0 is less than 1. So, take from borrow 4. Take borrow from 4. It will become a 10. 10 minus 1 is 9. Then remaining how many numbers are there here? 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. Yes. Total 9 rupees remaining. I will get back rupees 9. I will get back 9 rupees. Thank you.